Get ready, trainers, because Pokémon Day 2026 just blew the roof off with some truly mind-blowing reveals that will redefine your creature collecting experience. In this video, we're diving deep into the top announcements, from brand new mainline games to a nostalgic blast from the past, all set to shake up 2025 and beyond. Don't wait. Check the description below for links to pre-order or learn more about these incredible new Pokémon products right away. Number 1. Pokémon Winds and Waves stole the show as the highly anticipated Gen 10 mainline games, exclusively developed for the revolutionary Nintendo Switch 2. Prepare to explore a brand new region filled with volcanic crags and murky swamplands, introducing the adorable new partner Pokémon, Grout, Pombin, and Gekwa. This is huge, marking the next generation of Pokémon adventures. Number 2. Pokémon Champions finally received a release window, hitting Switch, Switch 2, and mobile in April. This competitive battling game is set to unify every generational gimmick, from mega evolutions to terrestrialization, promising the ultimate strategic showdown for your favorite transferred Pokémon. It's the definitive competitive experience we've been waiting for. Number 3. Prepare for a dose of nostalgia with Pokémon XD. Gale of Darkness, making its triumphant return exclusively for Nintendo Switch 2 Online Plus expansion pack subscribers in March. Relive the challenge and awe of Shadow Lugia and fan-favorite Corrupted Pokémon, now on modern hardware. This classic is a must-play for longtime fans. Number 4. The game Boy Jukebox featuring music from Pokémon Red and Blue offers a truly unique collectible. This charming, small jukebox, shaped like the original Game Boy, plays classic chiptune songs from the very first games across 45 individual cartridges. It's the perfect way to celebrate 30 years of Pokémon music in style. Number 5. A mysterious new TCG collection was teased, designed to celebrate Pokémon's 30-year legacy by bringing back iconic cards like original Pikachu, Charizard, and powerful legendaries in a revitalized format. This expansion promises a greatest hits compilation that will send collectors and players alike scrambling to find packs. These announcements guarantee an exciting future for every Pokémon enthusiast.